change elements of boolean matrix to true based on value from another array. I'm trying to update the values of false elements in my boolean matrix to true based on the index value of that row which is contained in another numpy array. Here is my array, change, that identifies the element that needs to be changed in the matrix, mask_matrix. So every item in change tells which element to change in mask_matrix. For example, change 0 equals 6. Should change the first row in 6th column to a 6 in the mask_matrix. I know I can change items like this, but I need to find a more efficient way of doing this. Does anybody have any advice as to how to do this? Preferably vectorized.
This should help. Which is basically using advanced indexing in numpy to call row-column elements of an array.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.